So nowadays we are seeing lot of improvement in Indian railways performance. Maybe coaches, speed, goods transportation, railway stations, tracks, new lines, and also electrification. And what is happening is services, quality of services. Many expansions are happening. We have seen in the last 5 to 6 years, especially 5 to 6 years on.
Hmm.
So this requires earlier Indian railways used to import some parts from other countries to use in the railway operations. Maybe Korea, Japan, many other countries were providing some parts. Now, what is happening is Indian government has made a policy that every import of a product, import of a part or product should be manufactured in the next stage in India only.